Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm gonna show you how to limit CPU usage in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and type Control Panel. Then click on the Control Panel icon when it appears. Next, in the Control Panel window, click on System and Security and then click on Power Options. There you will see a list of power plans that your system can use. Now click on the Change Plan Settings option located next to the currently active power plan. Then click on this Change Advanced Power Settings option. Immediately after clicking, a new window will open. In this window, scroll down until you find the Processor Power Management option and then click on the plus icon next to it. There under Processor Power Management, you will see an option called Maximum Processor State. Click on the plus icon next to it to expand this option as well. After that, click on the percentage next to setting and then type in the maximum performance state you want your CPU to run at. For example, if you want your CPU to run at 80% of its maximum capacity, type in 80. After you have entered your desired percentage, click on the apply button and then click on the OK button. And that's it. The CPU usage of your system should now be limited to the percentage you set. This means that your CPU will not exceed the limit you have set even when running heavy tasks. This can help prevent overheating and extend the lifespan of your CPU.